In this video, we're going to compare these two 3-in-1 chargers, the Anker MagCube 3-in-1 to the Anker Folding Stand 3-in-1. These are both portable folding chargers that allow you to keep your iPhone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch all charged at the same time. So the Folding 3-in-1 is a little bit, here's both of them side by side. You can see that the MagCube looks a little bit heftier, although the Folding 3-in-1 is longer. On the MagCube, the Apple Watch charger just slides out from the side. You can press it in, press it back out, and it folds up really easily. On the Folding 3-in-1, the Apple Watch charger just flips up from the back and it folds up to be very compact. So the Folding 3-in-1 does feel a little bit smaller than the MagCube. It also weighs a little bit less as well. I find that this one just feels a little bit more portable and it's more pocketable because it's closer to the size of a phone. These also both include a USB-C power adapter and a USB-C charging cable, except for on the MagCube, the power adapter is only a 30 watt, and on the Folding 3-in-1, the power adapter is a 40 watt. So this is going to be a little bit better if you also want to use this to power an iPad later on. This one also has a right angle cord on it as well. Keeps it nice and out of the way. So which of these should you buy? Buy the MagCube if you want the one that looks a little bit cooler. I think that this folding cube design is really sweet, but honestly, for most people, I would recommend buying the Folding 3-in-1 stand because this one is so small. It fits on the back of your phone, so compact as well. So this one's going to take up barely any space in your travel bag. It's just going to be a little bit easier to travel with.